Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This morning I'll be making some peanut porridge. I'll be using some green plantain, half of it guys, and the reason for that because it's just me I'm making it for, so I don't need a lot. Don't need a whole pot full. I have some oats here. I like to put oats in mine. You could add flour. This is my peanuts. My space is kind of small guys, see with me. I have some evap milk here, some condensed milk, salt, nutmeg, and that's a teaspoon, some granulated sugar. Also have cinnamon powder, vanilla, some mixed spice, my blender, and I'm going to blend now guys. I'm using some milk to do my blending, okay? So I'm going to peel my plantain, green plantain that is, okay guys? Like I said, I'm only using half of it. If you're doing for more people, then you can always increase. Okay? I'm not doing for a lot this morning, just for me really, so just cutting up my plantain here. Put it in. And guys, if you want to know, I'm using a cup of raw peanuts. I like mine very peanutty. That makes sense? Okay. Putting in my oats. And I'm going to use milk to blend mine. Cow's milk. So you don't have to do that if you don't want to. I'm using it in mine. Okay, I'm going to make a little noise here with the blender. If you see that the blender is kind of like making like a extra loud sound, like it's just stuck, you can do like this, just kind of stir it up a little, or you could also add more liquid to it. Okay guys, I'm trying to get mine very smooth. Very smooth here guys, so I'm going to blend it some more. Okay. Let me add a little bit more of my milk to it. Add some more milk to it. I think this is smooth enough. This is smooth enough. I don't know if you're seeing it guys. This is how I want it. So guys, now I'm adding in, I had a cinnamon stick in there, so now I'm adding in my mixture here. And then you just stir it up. My cinnamon stick. Now the rest of milk that I used to do my mixture. I'm just going to use it, of course, to wash my blender out. Okay, and just add it in. So guys, see, it's cooking nicely here. I like mine thick, guys. See how thick it is? Thick and smooth. So I'm just going to let this cook for another 7 minutes, and then I'll come back and I'll sweeten it, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, share. If you like this video, please to give it a thumbs up. Thank you. See, it's there, guys. It's cooking. So this is plantain, peanut, and oats. So it's peanut porridge, but I use the oat and the plantain for the thickness. You know, peanut alone for me, it's not going to make it thick the way I want it. So you don't have to use that if you don't want to. You can use flour, or you can just make the plain peanut porridge if that's what you like. If you think it's getting too thick, guys, too thick, this is really thick, but I like it thick. I'm just going to add a little bit more of the milk to it, okay? Just a little, because I don't want it to be thin. I like my porridge thick. This is nice, guys. See? Nice consistency. Okay, guys? I don't want it to burn either, guys, so you cook this at a low heat, okay? So it don't burn. This is a very healthy porridge. Peanut is in it, oats is in it, so it's healthy. Like I said, I didn't want a lot. I'm just making enough. So I just put the spoon in here and some water here. Keep it like that until I'm cooking, okay? So guys, this is it. This is finished. It's gonna sweeten now. Put this on low flame, guys. So I cook it for 8 minutes. Turn the timer off. So it actually went to 9 minutes. Okay, so turn it off. So this is 9 minutes now. This is done. So I'm going to sweeten now. So I have a half teaspoon of salt. Gotta be careful of the salt, okay? I have in here some mixed spice and nutmeg, okay? I have 1 big old tablespoon of vanilla. I love vanilla, guys. Okay. And I have here some sugar. I don't want to tell you how to sweeten yours. It's to your desired taste, okay? I'm using some Hivat milk as well. Okay. And I'm doing some sweetened milk. That's condensed milk. After I open it, guys, I like to keep it in a container in the fridge. Alright. One thing for sure, I like my porridge sweet, and I like my porridge with a lot of milk. That's just me. You don't have to do that, okay? Like I said, you sweeten it to how you like it. If you're not a person who likes sweet like me, I do like sweet, and I like my porridge to be sweet, not just sweet but tasty. So with all these spices and all, I'm I'm telling you, in here smells so good, guys. This is a consistency. This is very nice, not too thick and it's not watery, just very nice balance in between. This is so nice. You might hear me telling stories when I'm cooking because it's just things that happens. I remember one time I was in Jamaica and making some porridge, some cornmeal porridge that was, and my neighbor, she used to take water from over our house, you know, so we had the pipe in our yard, so she didn't have any, so they always take water there. So I remember once she called to me, make sure I get a piece of the pudding then, I smell it. And I'm like, I'm not making any pudding. She said, what, I smell out this? I said, no, it's porridge. So when you put all of those flavors, man, look, this aroma just so nice. So I'm gonna taste it, guys. This is how we taste. I don't know about you. Man, this is nice. Don't need anything. It needs nothing, absolutely nothing, guys. Salt, the taste of milk, the vanilla. Believe me, guys, it's very nice. So this is my peanut porridge, guys. If you like it, you can follow the steps. My ingredients will be listed. This is very nice. This is finished. Wow. So there it is, guys. My peanut porridge is ready to be served. I hope you like this dish, guys. If you do, please give me a thumbs up on this video. Please subscribe to my channel, Cooking with Cleo, and remember to turn your notification bell on so you'll be notified whenever I do upload another amazing dish. Okay, guys, thank you for watching.